What's going on, guys? It's Rico Suave here, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be opening up some NBA 2K16 2K packs. I'm gonna be doing the boost pack because I heard I can get a lot of good stuff over there. I apologize for me missing a lot of videos. I also apologize if I yell if I get something good. Alright? Here we go. Boost packs. We're doing boost packs first. Jason Terry, Marcus Smart, LeBron James, okay. Steph Curry! Steph Curry! Get boost packs, the Brian Scalabrine packs. I pulled a Steph Curry first try. Everyone should know that that's my favorite player. The Brian Scalabrine packs is lit. Another one! Another diamond. I'm so used to seeing Elite from NBA Live. I got diamonds. Diamond! Yo, no. Boost packs is lit. Get the Brian Scalabrine one from the Boston Celtics. Excuse me. I just burped. Kyle Lowry. Excuse me again. Wow. I'm gassy. Woo! Paul George. Oh no, what happened? No. No finished draft. After this, I'm gonna do a draft lineup. I'm gonna try the Throwback Thursday pack. Nope. Doing the Brian Scalabrine's. Start off last. Oh, okay. Throwbacks already. Kevin Durant, 90. These packs is Brian Scalabrine's. Brian Scalabrine's not even that good, no offense. Dwayne Wade, I mean, I have him. But it's good to find more of the thing. My battery's about to die, so I should make this video quick. I'm gonna do like 10 more. 4 in a row? Hold on. I pulled a Kevin Durant, a Stephen Curry, a Shaquille O'Neal, and a Wilt Chamberlain. Nothing, and I mean nothing, can get better than pulling. Alright, from now on, each time I pull a diamond, I'm not going to scream. Because unless I get like 5 diamonds. Oh, Tim Duncan. Okay, not bad. Unless I get 5 elite. Ooh. 5 elites. All 5 elites. Or 4 elites. Phone's about to die. KG, Kevin Garnett. Kevin Durant. Unless I see a Stephen Curry. Any type of Stephen Curry, even if they had a bronze Steph Curry, I'd be happy. They will no, that looks disgusting. 2K, why'd you do that? That looks weird. Why would you? Especially since that's Dwight Howard. He doesn't shoot at all. He recently just got fired from the Hawks. Or he's getting fired from the Hawks. He's about to be an official basketball player. And ever since he traded his team to the Hawks, I didn't like him. Because he had a good thing going. And he ruined it. by going to the Hawks. And now, who's gonna laugh? James Harden, because he now has Chris Paul attempting to get they're going to get Carmelo. Like Dwight Howard had a good dream team. Now he's getting fired. His net worth is still like worth 236. Nah, his net worth is around like 20, 30, 50, 60, 126 mil, I think. That's his net worth. Michael Jordan! I'm sorry, I totally forgot. MJ was on this. My phone goes on 2%. I'm Damian Lillard. Another one. Also, check out my ASMR channel. It will be in the link down below. Alright, I'm going to do 5 more pack openings. Starting after this one. KG. I pulled three amethyst, a throwback Thursday gold, and a throwback diamond. Alright, so this is one. Oh, Dirk Nowitzki score. Throwback Thursday, Dirk Nowitzki. Oh, I should have read it to y'all, but that's 2. This is 2 right here. Oh, a D Rose, a moment Bojan Bogdanovic, Mario Chalmers, a playoff Klay Thompson, and historic Terry Cummings. This is like 3, right? Patrick Ewing, the Rookie of the Year one, not good. Dynamic Avery Bradley, playoff DeAndre, amethyst. Oh, dynamic TJ. Ew, disgusting. Silver. All right, this is 4. Historic Tracy McGrady. Dynamic Tim Duncan. Moments D'Angelo. He's not even on that team. Throwback Kevin Love. And playoff Paul Millsap. Alright, this is the last one. I feel like I did more than 5, but whatever. George Gervin. Throwback Sean Marion. Throwback Jeremy Lin. I can't remember that. 6th Man of the Year, Manu Ginobili. And defensive. I'm gonna do a last one that a finale where I get a diamond. So Diamond Jack. Now I wanna get a Diamond Curry, so I'm not gonna stop till I get the Diamond Curry. Kobe. I should have said Diamond Kobe or Curry, because everyone knows that my second favorite is Kobe, but what else? No, my second favorite is actually Isaiah Thomas. My third favorite is Kobe. Whatever. If I get a Kobe, a Steph Curry, or Isaiah Thomas, they all have to be diamonds. Then that's the end of it. It's simple to get the Isaiah Thomases from here, though. Ooh, Jay Crawford. 2 Jay crossover Crawfords. Come on. I want to get this Isaiah Curry or just end it off. I'm doing this as fast as I can. Come on. Come on now. I want one out of all of them. I'm about to not end it off with the best pull. Alright, this is the last one. If I don't get it, I'm end it off. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, stay sexy. At least I ended it off with an Oscar Robertson. So yeah, but yeah, as always, stay sexy.